everyone, I'm back with a pasta anchovy recipe, and this is featuring Doña Elena products, and you're watching the Bawenya Vlogs Lemon Serie. Let's start with preparing these following ingredients: Doña Elena al dente spaghetti pasta, our bowl of broccoli, our Doña Elena Anchovies, this is in pure olive oil, our chopped garlic, breadcrumbs, and our Doña Elena pure olive oil. And this is Doña Elena's flat fillets of anchovies from Spain, filled with pure olive oil. These are very healthy, rich in calcium and vitamin D, and the fish oil omega-3, which is a cholesterol regulator. Let's start with heating our pan with our pure olive oil. Let's start with frying our breadcrumbs until it becomes crispy and golden brown. Starting with a fresh and clean pan with pure olive oil, let's now cook our broccoli. Let's season it with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Starting again with a fresh and clean pan with pure olive oil, let's now cook our anchovies with the chopped garlic. And now let's cook our Doña Elena's al dente spaghetti pasta in 9 minutes. And to make sure to reserve some of the water to use in making our sauce. I don't know you guys, but this is how I checked my pasta, if it's cooked or not. Let me know if you do the same. And I'm now mixing it together with some pasta water until I reach the perfect taste and consistency that I want. Serve it hot with the fried breadcrumbs on top with toasted bread. And that's it for today with Doña Elena's anchovy pasta. Thank you so much for watching.